We are the UK Shooters and UK Portraits team, and today we are here after hours at the Columbia store, Carnaby Street. And we have been out shooting in London, putting together tips and tricks for you guys.
And we challenge you to capture Britain yourselves using these tips and tricks for a chance to win £250 worth of Columbia gear and the chance to show off your work here in the Columbia Carnaby Street store.
Stay tuned for more on that later, but for now, let's get to it.
Tip number 1, use different angles to show perspective and depth. We're talking about getting low.
Try get close to the ground and use the road as a leading line to your subject. It creates a really cool perspective that you wouldn't usually see at eye level to get down and start shooting. Take a look at what we captured.
Tip number 2. It's great to use reflections in your photos. These really help take your shots to the next level. And if, like for us, it's not raining, get a big bottle of water and pour on the ground to create your own reflection. Get your camera as close to the ground as possible and shoot your subject. The closer to the ground you are, the better it's going to look. And take a look at the shots we captured now.
Tip number 3 is about using focal length to add variation to your shot. Each lens tells a different story, so find the one that's right for your shot. Check out how we shot this one location in 16mm, 50mm, and 200mm.
Tip number 4, when shooting long exposures at night, a great way to get creative is to do light painting. With your phone torch, you always have a light in your pocket that is perfect to get creative with. You can even create a red light by putting your finger over the torch to create the light trails. Check these out. We hope you guys enjoyed the tips and tricks. Hit us up with any questions in the comments below.
And you got until 28th of September to get your photos in.
And make sure to tag Columbia_EU and UK.shooters in the photo and the caption, and use the hashtag CaptureBritain.
Our favourite photos will be in store from the 2nd of October, so make sure you come down to the store, check out the new collection and vote for the best photo, the best picture, and walk away with £250 worth of Columbia gear.
Cheers guys, we look forward to seeing your entries.